Let's have a quick look at Libby by Overdrive. You can search for what you're looking for or scroll down the screen and see the quick links for what's new, what's popular, or even what's available right now. You can change the length of time you borrow an item for by clicking here where it says 14 days and then choose how long you would like to borrow the item for. To renew an item or return it early, go to your shelf, then click Loans, and then click Manage Loan. For items that are not currently available, you can view the wait time for it. Go to your holds to view your place in line for the item. Click Manage Hold to suspend it or cancel the hold. If you have questions about using Libby, email us at help@manliuslibrary.org.